Managing anxiety, depression, or stress related to work or health matters can be daunting during these unprecedented times, even harder to face if you feel you are alone.
That's why the Beaufort County School District has teamed up with Hope Performance Systems, because you matter.
Our partnership with Hope Performance Systems provide options with the highest level of care for our staff and their families.
Hope Performance Systems offers mental health wellness plans tailored to meet your needs. Peer group, individual, or family counseling can be set up virtually or in person with our licensed counselors.
Hope Performance Systems offers various types of assessment to determine the right fit for you. Our system is not a one-size-fits-all path to wellness. We will work with you to find the best plan for you and your family.
This partnership is more than just peer, individual, and family counseling.
If you or your loved ones needs help with substance abuse, Hope Performance Systems can provide the help and counseling needed.
Fees can be paid through our insurance or through a special discounted cash rate available to BCSD employees, and we have bilingual therapists and interpreters if needed.
It can be hard to find counseling in our area. Hope Performance Systems has solutions. We strive to ensure our services are attuned to your needs, affordable, and as accessible as possible.
Educators, we hear you and we see the need for more mental health and wellness support.
This initiative offers flexible scheduling and payment plans tailored especially for you and your families.
Together with Hope Performance Systems, we will get through these difficult times. You are not alone. You matter.
You matter.
You matter.